Hi guys, let's discuss about Tableau work interface. This is Tableau work interface. Inside Tableau work interface, we are going to connect the multiple data source to Tableau for our designing the reports and designing the visuals. First of all, we are understand how the interface is that and how to use the interface. So before move to interface, we need to connect data source to Tableau, and you go to connection to add connection here, and add connection. There is a multiple sources there like Microsoft Excel text file, Microsoft Access, PDF files, Python analysis, text file, and more. If you go to server, there is a Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, Amazon Redshift, and you have to click more. There is a more number of connectors are there. 75 connectors. Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2, Azure SQL Database, Box, Databricks, Cloudera Hadoop. These are the multiple platform we have to connect to Tableau. Spark SQL, Snowflake, Teradata. These are the multiple platform. So previously I connect a data source that is called an Excel file. In Excel file there is the three sheets: orders, people, and returns. Let's view your Excel file. This is our Excel file that is using in Tableau currently. So this is orders sheets, people sheet, and return sheet. There is three number of sheets, and three number of sheets already there in Tableau: people's, orders, and returns. So if you want to view the data, if you click here, then you are able to view your data. So after the loading procedure, we have to select sheet and to use our Tableau for reporting and visualization. Let's drag this sheet here. Then this sheet is used currently for the uses. After this drag, we inside the result part, this down part or result part, we have to view the Tableau field name, physical order of the tables, and remote field is there. Their respective field type, like one is a text file, geographic field, text file, measures field, and all these things. You have to minimize it. After that, you are able to view your data here. You have view your data. Next, I move to sheets. If I move to sheet, this is called as sheets. All the fields are visible here. What are the field mean? What are the columns name inside the data? This is visible here. And the data names is order, sample, superstore. This is about the data field. Next, we have the page, filter, and markers. Page is used for different purpose. Filter is used for like filtering the data. Marker is used for there is different marker like colors, size, text, details, and tool tips. And this is the sheets we have to design your reports. And columns and rows, there is two things are there. If I click here, third option, this is show me all the charts are visible. As per the requirement, we have to design the chart. Next in the ribbon, we have file, data, worksheet, dashboard, story, analysis, map, format, server, windows, and help. If I starting from this file is used to save your Tableau file and export it into PDF, print, all these things. Like data you have to connect new data source. Worksheet, new worksheet. If I create actions, tool tips, show title, show caption, show summary, show the cards, show the toolbars. These are the many things are there. Next, dashboard, we have to create a new dashboard. Stories, analysis is like different analysis, percentage, total, special value, table layout. Create a calculated field. Map, we have to change the background map. And format basically different type of format inside use like alignment, shading, border, font, lines. Server is it is sign into server. Next we have windows has moved to any window, sheet, and things are there. So next part, you are understanding what is dashboard and story in Tableau. Dashboard is nothing but we have to add multiple sheets inside the dashboard. Stories is nothing but we have add multiple dashboard inside the story. So that's all for Tableau work interface. In the next video we are going to discuss a new topic.